for Enjoya. I miss him.
I miss you. I miss.
Assalamualaikum. How are you? Hope you are all fine. Satin. Good evening. Maghrib Alexa. So today I want to make a short video. This video is especially for my team. Yes, this video is just for Enjoya. I miss him. Mohanad, Iman, Zamzam. Yes, actually I'm not with them last 2-3 days. But inshallah, hope so. After more 2 days or 3 days, I will be there. Inshallah, we will meet soon. So, but now I want to tell you that I miss you. All of you I miss. Enjoya, Mohanad, Zamzam, Iman, and I also miss. But Anaya just miss Iman. Yeah, she just miss Iman, uncle. So, inshallah, Enjoya, this message is just for you. Inshallah, hope before you reach 100K, I will be there with you and we celebrate your day. Yes, this my promise with you. Just before, inshallah, I will come to you and we will make a video and we will meet also. So, inshallah, before your 100K. So, because we spent a good time together, we are like family. They give me too much respect. They are so good. So that's why I think it must be. If I make a video 2-3 minutes, that will be so good. Our memory, yes. Inshallah, I will be there. We can't meet, but we are in stay in touch. So also please give us support and like our video. Soon you see me and then I am with them, inshallah. Until you take care of yourself, my team also please take care of yourself, and Mohanad, please be ready for my revenge, because when I come I take my revenge. So, and Enjoya, inshallah we celebrate your day. Yes, I'm so happy for you that you are near to 100K. So until, bye bye, take care. Bash bash barwako. Other I now remember. Bash bash barwako afiman. Inshallah, bye bye.